Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about everything that I need to do in regard to the demo that I'm gonna be doing now. So hello Baba. I'll pretty much be going over the CRUD functionality that I need to go over for my app. So without a further ado, let me begin the demo now. So as you can see here, I got an app called an expense tracker. So what this app does is it pretty much is like a balance sheet or for like a general ledger, like what we have in accounting. So it's a general ledger or a balance sheet, right? So it pretty much tracks our income and expenses. So it takes our income, then minus it by our expenses to net whether we have a loss or a profit. So without a further ado, let's get to this. So we need to sign in first into our firebaseapp.com. Sign in first, and then so we've signed in. So without further ado, let's start with our expense. So we got a table, right? Then the amount for that table is 250, right? So that's what we have, 250. Then you got a car, which is like let's see, a good 7.5 for our car, right? So that's what we have for our car. And then for our bench, right? How can be a bench be worth more than a car? So then we've got our bench, which is 2,300, right? And then we've also got our bulls, right? Bulls, that as well. That's where we have our bulls. So let's go over to our income now. So income, let's make it 7.5. So obviously the reason why our expenses are red is because on our back end we've assigned a danger on our back end, then assign success for our income. So income, then bonus, which that, uh, guess that. Oh, you bonus, right? And then what else do we have? Then we've got our insurance claims or insurance claim, you, which is 4,000. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see here, we've balanced out all our income and expenses to a profit of 2,870. So income 14,170. Then our expenses 11,300. So then if you want to edit, let's say for example you want to edit the cost for our table or change it to placing area, then make it 400. Update transaction placing area, edit car to Ford, make it 10,000. Did that bench, change it to stool, then make our bench 3,000. Update stool, bulls, let's make it 2,000. Then you're gonna take out income, make it 10 grand. Bonus 4 grand. Insurance claim 5, right? 5,575. Yeah, so that's it. So I pretty much edited everything. So we've first had, a table turned that into placing area, card to forward, bench to stool, bowls from 1.3 to thousands, then income 10 grand, bonus 4,000, insurance claim 55,000, update insurance claim. Yeah. And then if you want to delete all of these, you delete now, delete, then sign out, sign in again, then sign in. And then, if you want to exemplify, the portfolio bootstrap, you know, if just, and then, for our portfolio, we've got a final app here just to exemplify that my Firebase, live links work. So final project expense tracker, then yeah, that's what we have. That is pretty much what we have. So as you can see, my thing is working. Same thing for my CRUD. Same thing for my to-do app. So everything's working. Yes, yeah, Baba, everything's working. Yeah, everything's working, Baba.